Saturday, December 9th, 2023. St. John Diego Kahotla Toizen. Focus: Jesus went proclaiming the gospel of the kingdom and healing. The gospel describes Jesus' ministry in all the cities and villages, teaching the true meaning of the law and proclaiming the new order brought by him. But his mission was not just theoretical or spiritual. It included healing of sickness and disease. Christ gave his disciples his own power to cure disease and drive away evil spirits. Since the apostles were not yet equipped to preach to the Gentiles, they were told to restrict themselves to the house of Israel. The sending out of the 12 more widely had to wait till they experienced Jesus' death and resurrection. Here, they were still disciples who were being prepared to take his mission forward. They still had much to learn from their master before they were ready to carry out their apostolic commission. The church has received the charge to heal the sick and strives to carry it out. She believes in the life-giving power of Christ. His presence is manifest in the sacraments and in a special way in the Eucharist, the bread of eternal life. St. Paul taught that bodily health is also connected with it. The Lord's service is free of cost. Buying and selling of spiritual things is the sin of simony. Fruit: I will be an agent of God's healing love to the sick and suffering through prayer and acts of mercy.